story, a level or floor of a building, story, an account of imaginary, spatial, distinguished by some unusual quality, spatial, variant spelling of spatial, spring, to move or jump suddenly, spring, the season between winter and summer, sun, the star around which the earth orbits, sun, a male child, suit, a set of clothes to be worn together, shoot, a set of connected rooms, Sam, something that is not what it purports to be, same, a painful feeling, sever, very great, sever, to divide or separate, statue, a carved or cast figure of a person or animal, statue, a written law passed by a legislative body, straight, without a bend, straight, a narrow passage of water, surfeit, an excessive amount of something, counterfeit, made in exact imitation of something valuable with the intention to deceive or defraud, forfeit, something that is lost, they are, contraction of they are, tortuous, full of twists and turns, tortuous, involving or causing torture, throws, intense or violent pain and struggle, throws, propel through the air, tie, a necktie, tie, to bind or fasten, tie, an equality of score in a game, 2, indicating the place, 2, more than what is needed or wanted, 2, equivalent to the sum of 1 and 1, to pull a car or boat behind another vehicle, toy, any of the 5 digits on the front of the foot, track, a course or route along which something moves, tract, an expanse of land or water, trip, a journey or excursion, trip, to catch one's foot. Tire, a rubber covering, tire, to become very or bold, tire, a row or level of a structure, union, the action or fact of joining or being joined, unity, the state of being united, upright, sitting, uptight, anxious, urban, in relating to, urban, contrast, veracious, speaking or representing the truth, voracious, having a great aptitude for something, verbal, expressed in spoken words, verbose, using, were, past tense of are, where, in or what place or position, wear, to have clothes, weigh, a method, why, to determine the weight of something, weight, a body's relative mass, wait, to stay in one place until something happens, willing, ready, eager, willful, intentional, wet, to excite or stimulate, wet, a veterinarian, wet, to check or evaluate for accuracy or authenticity, wet, covered, waist, the part of the body between the ribs and the hips, waist, unwanted, waist, to use or expend carelessly, wave, to refrain from, wave, to move back, very, cautious, weary and exhausted, weak, lacking physical strength, week, a period of 7 days, weather, the state of the atmosphere at a particular place and time, weather, expressing a doubt or choice between alternatives. ये ब्लैक बुक ऑफ इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी पेज 475 D2 होमोनिम्स प्रैक्टिस सेट्स हैं जो एसएससी एग्जाम में आए हुए हैं, प्रैक्टिस सेट 1, प्रैक्टिस सेट 2, प्रैक्टिस सेट 3, पेज 476, इस पर प्रैक्टिस सेट 4, प्रैक्टिस सेट 5, प्रैक्टिस सेट 6, आप इनको करके देखना, लास्ट में इनके आंसर भी दे रखें, फिर इनको मैच करके देखना। पेज 477, इस पर प्रैक्टिस सेट 7 दे रखा है, इनको करने के बाद इसमें आंसर की भी दे रखी है प्रैक्टिस सेट 1 से प्रैक्टिस सेट 7 तक।